Hi, in this video I will show you how you can find the version of Logic Pro in your Logic Pro software. So let's see how we can do this thing. At first we need to open Logic Pro. I already opened the Logic Pro. Now to check the version we have to come here, Logic Pro. Here we are seeing this is the Logic Pro. There is a menu. We just need to click this menu and it will pop up this type of option. From here we have to choose the first option, which is called About Logic Pro. To check the version we just need to explore this option. I'm going to click here and very shortly a new window will be appear like alert box. So here we will find the version. At the beginning we will find the Logic Pro, that is the software name which is developed by Apple, and immediately after that it is mentioning the version number, version 11.0.1 or .0.1 like that. So this is the version of Logic Pro on my computer or Mac computer, and this is the details at which year it was released like that. So that's it. Once you complete checking the version of Logic Pro, you can close this thing or you can press the escape key of your keyboard and then it will be gone. So that's it guys. In this way we can easily check the version of Logic Pro in your Mac computer. Thank you guys for watching the video.